Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop, and in this video we're going to have a look at a slip tee. Now, a slip tee is one of the parts in our furniture or display grade range of fittings. So it's not specifically designed for a pipe system which is going to carry fluids or gases or anything like that down at all. This particular fitting is completely useless for a system like that, and it's only of any use in a display type system where you're making frames or structures or anything like that, and I'll show you why. If you look inside here, the tee here is completely blocked off inside. Okay, so there's no way anything is going to pass down there and come through here. That's one reason why it's no good for it. The other reason is this is designed to slide over a piece of pipe. You're not going to be able to glue that on, because if you paint glue in here and then paint glue on that bit of the pipe there, there's no way you're going to then be able to push that down onto a piece of pipe without leaving masses of glue along here, spreading all the glue that's inside along there, so you're not going to get a seal anyway. So, as I say, it's completely useless for pipe systems, but it's great for making structures or frames or anything like that. What makes it so good is that even though in this system we can get corners, and we can get, what else we find here, we can get cross pieces to make our structure out of. We can even get 45-degree elbows, but very often you want an angle which is not 90 degrees and not 45 degrees. Let's say you want something to mimic a roof or something like that. So our slip tee, we can move around the pipe to whatever angle we want. Now, as you see, it does move fairly freely around the pipe there. Okay, so we can either fix it in place if we want with a self-tapping screw, or we can use one of the plastic rivets we have on our website. Or if you think about the structure, if this is coming off here and then coming up to another slip tee which is on another part of the structure here, that's actually going to lock it in place and hold it in place anyway. So think about your structure, think about how it's going to work, how it's going to brace itself, and very often you don't actually need to fix that in place at all. People do sometimes as well use these as hinges, for example on door frames, because it's nice and free and easy to move. Obviously if I let that go, it's going to drop down, but if you have a fitting underneath it, it can sit on that other fitting and then act as a really nice hinge. So that's our slip tee. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.